F-150 XLT carburetor, guys. Let's take it out. Carburetor pa to, guys. 8 cylinder. Let's check it out. No crank, it's crank but no run. So yeah. Crank.
Okay.
Yeah, there's no fuel. I found it. Yeah, crank. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Yeah, finally we found it. Off, turn it off. It's good. It's good. Yeah. Carburetor pa to, guys. There is this distributor coil and ignition coil, like that. Yeah. Ford F-150. Yeah. That's it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Okay, guys, so nakita na natin yung problema. Wala palang fuel. Yan. Yan. Oh, XLT pa to, guys. XLT, it's good. Lagyan pa natin to ng gasoline, guys. Iyong Ford. Yan.